Hey everyone, welcome to my comprehensive guide on Shrapnel Token. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, Shrapnel, a game that's blending AAA quality first-person shooter action with blockchain technology. It's got intense gameplay, a futuristic world, and a crypto token called SHRAP that's making waves. So grab a snack and let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the SHRAP token, the heartbeat of Shrapnel's economy. According to CoinMarketCap, SHRAP is currently trading at around 0.0126 per token, with a 24-hour trading volume of roughly $153,000 to $4.4 million, depending on the day. It's built on the Avalanche C chain, which means fast and secure transactions. The total supply is capped at 3 billion tokens, with about 800 million to 1.2 billion currently in circulation, giving it a market cap of roughly $10 million to $36.6 million, ranking it around number 1,289 to number 1,769 on CoinMarketCap's list. Now, SHRAP isn't just a coin. It's the currency that powers Shrapnel's in-game marketplace. You can use it to buy weapons, skins, or even create unique player call signs. Plus, it's tradable on exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, and Bitmart. But here's the kicker. The price can be a roller coaster, with recent highs around $0.045 or more, and lows near $0.046 this year. So if you're thinking of investing, do your own research and brace for some volatility. Alright, let's jump into the game itself, straight from Shrapnel's official website. Shrapnel is a high-octane, first-person extraction shooter set in 2038, where an asteroid has smashed into the moon, and now Earth is getting hammered by meteor showers. These meteors carry a mysterious resource called Sigma, and you play as an elite operator in the sacrifice zone, fighting to collect it. Think Call of Duty meets Escape from Tarkov, but with a dystopian twist. The gameplay is all about skill, strategy, and survival. You're battling other players, dodging meteor barrages, and trying to extract Sigma to boost your abilities. What makes it stand out? It's built by a team of gaming legends who've worked on titles like Halo, BioShock, and Ghost of Tsushima. They've already snagged 6 industry awards for Shrapnel, so you know it's legit. Plus, there's a community marketplace where you can trade gear as NFTs and even craft your own items. And here's the cool part. You don't have to touch blockchain to enjoy the game, but if you do, you get true ownership of your in-game assets. Now, let's get nerdy with the Shrapnel white paper, which lays out the big picture. The story kicks off with Asteroid 38 Sigma crashing into the moon, creating the sacrifice zone on Earth. This is where you, as a mercenary extraction force operator, risk it all to grab Compound Sigma, a material so valuable it's worth fighting for. The white paper dives deep into the game's tokenomics, explaining how SHRAP tokens fuel everything from trading to staking and even promoting custom maps. What I love is how player-driven this game is. You can create maps, weapons, or vanity items and share them with the community. The white paper emphasizes rewarding players, creators, and even curators who help shape the ecosystem. It's all powered by the Radon network guidance, which makes Web3 gaming seamless. No clunky bridging or swapping needed. The team's roadmap outlines 4 phases, leading to launch, with new features and DLC planned post-release. This isn't just a game, it's a platform where the community calls the shots. So why should you care about Shrapnel? It's not just another crypto game. It's a AAA shooter that could rival the biggest titles out there, backed by a team with serious credentials. The blockchain integration means you can own and trade your gear, but it's optional, so casual gamers can jump in too. And with the FPS genre being a Twitch favorite, Shrapnel's low barrier to entry, run, point, shoot, makes it a potential hit. Some even say it could dominate Web3 FPS games with its first mover advantage. That's the rundown on Shrapnel. From its SHRAP token to its intense gameplay and community-driven vision, this project is one to watch. Have you played Shrapnel yet? Or are you thinking of grabbing some SHRAP? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let me know what else you want me to cover. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Until then, Stay gaming, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.